So I was actually thinking that this app did not actually worth my time until I discovered this low key setting on this app. So most people actually end up downloading this app, this character AI app. They chat with random AI bots or even fake Elon Musk in the app for like a couple of minutes, and they get super dry replies, and then they end up deleting the app. But there are low-key settings on this app that can actually help you to use and make the most out of this app. Do you know that this app can actually become a crazy smart life coach for you, and even act as a language tutor and automated tool that can actually completely change how you use AI. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to use the character AI app, everything you need to know about the character AI app, and make use of the app. So let's simply skip the whole talking stuff and actually go to the main points of this video. So the first step you need to take right here in order for you to be able to start using the app is to go to your Play Store or App Store or your device and search for the app. Then go ahead and install it. You're actually seeing the option of open on my. That is because I've actually installed the app on my device. So you need to go ahead and install the app on your device and open the app. The login process is not that difficult. You can actually click on continue with Gmail and select your Gmail and you're good to go. Then input your age and you'll be able to log into your character AI app. Looking right here on the screen is the home page of your character AI. So in order for you to start using it, looking here, you can see this page here right here is the home page, and this is for you page. This is trending, we have seen, we have featured. You'll be able to see all of that. We have groups, we have harmony, we have assistants, creative, and the rest of them. If you click on the search button as well, you'd be able to search for anyone that you want to see specifically. So let's say you want to search for something like this off campus, you'll be able to see the character, the creators, the scene under this search that you actually search for. You'll be able to see voices as well that are under the search that you search for. So you just need to carefully look for the one you are looking for. So going back right here on the home page like this, looking right here at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see the plus button right there. If you click on the plus button like this, looking right here, you need to pay attention here. So right here you can see personal. So this one actually allows you to introduce yourself to the AI. So let's say you want to start a new chat and you don't want the AI to keep asking you to introduce yourself to it, in order for it to be able to be giving you the best response that you would have preferred to get from it. So you can simply just go ahead and click on personal like this. You can click on that and name a character. Looking right here, you can see what it says. It says here, what's your character name? So you can simply type in your character name right here. Now let's say my character name is Tyler. So looking right here, you can go ahead and give it the character name like this and click on next. So looking right here, you can say, what do they look like? So you can come right here and describe what they look like and click on generate, and it'll be able to generate the image for you. Or you can click on upload an image and upload an image right here. So let's say Tyler looks like a scary man. So once you do that, looking right here, you can see generate. You can simply click on that in order to generate what Tyler actually looks like. Looking right here, you can see that you can select any of the image. So I'm going to go ahead and select this first one like this, and then go ahead and click on next. So looking right here, you can see the voice which is actually suggested for Tyler. You can actually click on change as well and change it. So looking right here as well, you can see, for example, took you long enough, I've been waiting. So you can just simply type in your own type of greeting right here. You can simply reintroduce yourself right here on this greeting page. Once you do that, go ahead and click on next and save it as your character. So this is how you can actually create your character on the character AI. So at the bottom here as well, if you click on the plus button, you'll be able to see scene, and most importantly, looking right here, you can see group chat. So if you click on group chat like this, you'd be able to search for the names you want to search for. You can actually add 3 or 4 people to the group and give them a topic to talk about. So it's actually going to be somehow hilarious depending on the topic you actually give to them. So you just need to wait, and you don't even need to type anything. You just need to wait and watch them do the arguments. while you watch them. So it's actually going to be much more fun if you use that feature as well. Looking right here, you can see voice, you can see stream. Now at the bottom here, you can see your profile icon at the bottom. If you click on that, you'll be able to edit your profile, add your pictures and all that. So this is what you can actually do as well. So you can change your username, change your name, and also add a photo to your profile. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on save, and that is going to be your profile. Right here as well, you can see the phone icon at the bottom of your screen. If you click on that, this is where you'd be able to watch some reel that's actually made for you on this app as well. So there are a lot of things you can actually do on this app. This app is not a boring app. So this is how simple it is for you to use Character AI on your mobile device. You can actually use this on your PC as well. All right guys, we've come to the very end of this video. So if you want to give this app a try, you can simply type in character on the comment section and I would know that you want to give it a try. All right guys, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. You can simply ask me any question on the comment section and I will be there to answer you. See you in the next one.